This is the last type of method that we're going to use to solve systems of equations. And in this particular example, we're going to do it by elimination. You guys were also taught this in Algebra 1, so this will be review. What we want to do is decide right now, with these two equations, if we want to eliminate the x's or the y's. And the one thing that I look at is if one is positive and one is negative, because then they will be eliminated. But nothing is just going to be eliminated right away on this one. So what we're going to have to do, for example, I'm going to get rid of the y's. So in order to eliminate the y's, I'm going to take the first equation and I'm going to multiply it by 3. So I'm going to show here that I'm going to distribute that. 3 times 3x is going to give us a 9x. So I've shown here that we've distributed the 3, which is going to give us the 9x minus 6y equals 12. I'm now going to take the second equation and I'm going to multiply that by 2. So I'm showing now that I've taken the second equation and I've multiplied it all by 2, which gives me the 10x plus 6y equals negative 50. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two equations, this one, and I'm going to put them together. I'm going to take these two and I'm going to just kind of move them so they are together now. So I'm going to work these and I'm going to now just combine like terms. So I've got the 10x plus the 9x, which is going to give us 19x. And we have a negative 6y and a positive 6y. Those are now eliminated. That's why this is called elimination. And we have a negative 50 plus 12, which is going to give us negative 38. So if we divide everything by 19, our answer on this will be x is negative 2. In order to solve for y, I can take this, x equals negative 2, and I can plug it back into one of my original equations. So if we do a little mental math and we take the 3 times the negative 2, that will give us a negative 6. So we finished up this problem by putting in x equals negative 2 back into one of our original problems, and we have y equals negative 5. So our final answer is going to be an ordered pair of negative 2, negative 5. So if we go back and break this up into parts, the very first thing, we took our original equations and we decided which variable we were going to eliminate, which in this case we're going to eliminate the y's.